With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge, and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet.
I open the tablet and toss it into the toilet. This trick is great. It's a shame that so few people know about it. If the bowl of your toilet is covered in limescale or has developed stains, this trick will work perfectly. Denture cleaning tablets have surprising properties. Just take 1 tablet and toss it into the toilet. Their active ingredients have whitening, disinfecting, and cleaning properties. They work wonders on cleaning ceramics. Leave it overnight and let it work. The foam that forms will kill bacteria and remove stains from the inside of the bowl. All you need to do is flush the water, and you're done. An additional benefit is the minty freshness that will permeate the entire bathroom. Burn the paper roll above the toilet. You will thank me for this trick. You will never throw away a roll of used toilet paper again. This clever recycling trick will come in handy for everyone. Often when using the toilet, there is an unpleasant smell in the bathroom. A simple roller trick will do the trick. Just set it on fire above the toilet. When it starts to burn, hold it for a few seconds and extinguish it. The flame absorbs the bad smell from the bathroom. Hold the blanking roll over the toilet. You will quickly notice that the smell of smoke will disappear without leaving a bad smell behind. 1 roll can be used many times in this way. It's an ecological and effective trick.